how to add and edit content on the Unlimited Creative Agency Business Sale on Webflow by Startup Streams. So in this video we'll go over how to edit headers and paragraphs on any page, how to edit your business name and location across the whole website, how to add a new blog post, a new help center post, career post, a new landing page, and how to edit any of these pages. So let's dive straight in right now with editing headers and paragraphs on any page. So in the designer, double click on the section in which to change, and you can change the text straight on the page, and this is auto saved. You don't need to click save, it's already done for you. Very simple and easy. How to edit your business name and location across the whole website. So in the designer, click on CMS icon in the left hand sidebar, select business details, click business details. Under custom fields, edit the business name and location, then save. This will now appear across the website. How to add a new blog post. So in the designer, click on the CMS icon in the left hand side, select blog collections, click plus new blog collection. And then how do you go about editing the content on a blog post? So from the blog collections area, you click on the name of the article you wish to edit if you haven't just made a new post, and edit with the following details. So name is simply what you will see the blog post labeled as on the website's CMS section here. Slug is the specific URL following on from the root domain name for the blog page. Meta title is the header preview, which will appear in search results when the blog post is seen on Google and other search engines. The meta description is the text preview, which will appear in search results when the blog post is seen on Google and other search engines. The open graph image is the image which is shared on social media when the blog post's link is shared. Product title is what will appear on the blog post's header section. This is the H1 title tag. Blog summary text is what will appear in the search results on your website. It acts as a preview of the blog collection. Featured image is the image which appears on the blog post below the header, and also a smaller portrait image on the blog collection shown on scroll. Content text top is all rich text shown between the top featured image and the middle call to action banner on the blog post. The content text bottom is all rich text shown between the middle call to action banner and the bottom call to action banner on the blog post. The blog category is the tag you want your blog post to be shown as, which will help with filtering the posts on your website and will appear on specific blog collection pages. And business details is the CMS collection you want to use to show your business's name and location on the blog posts. Once you've made your changes, click save. And we've got more or less the same for adding new help center posts. So in the designer, click on the CMS icon in the left hand sidebar, select help centers, click plus new help center. So to edit this again, the name is what you will see in the CMS section. The slug is the exact URL for the blog post you're making. The help center category is the tag you want the help center post to have to be found on your website. The category tag is the tag which is displayed as on the help center post. The article title is what will appear on the help center's post's header section. This is the H1 title tag. Summary text is what will appear in the search results on your website. It acts as the preview of the help center collection. The featured image is the main image which appears on all help center posts below the header, and also as a small portrait image on the blog collection shown on scroll. Content text top is all rich text shown between the top featured image and the middle call to action banner on the blog post. Content text bottom is all rich text again shown between the middle call to action banner and the next article previews at the bottom of the help center article. Meta title and meta description are the same as before. This is what will show in search results. And the open graph image is the image which is shared on social media when the help center post is linked and shared. Whenever you've made your changes, click save. We've got more of the same for a new career or job post. So in the designer, click on the CMS icon on the left hand sidebar, select careers collection, click plus new careers collection. To edit a new career or jobs post, name is what you will see the post labeled as in the CMS section. Slug is the specific URL. The meta title and the meta description is the same as before. This is what will be seen in search engine results. The open graph image is the image which is shared on social media when the career or job post link is shared. The job title is what will appear on the help center's post header section. This is the H1 title tag. The job type will show as a smaller subheading on the page. Featured image is the main image which appears on all career or job posts below the header, and also as a smaller portrait image on the blog collection shown on scroll. The content text is all of the rich text which appears as the main job description on the page. And the job description summary is what will appear in the search results on your website. It acts as the preview on the career and jobs collection. Whenever you've made any changes, make sure you click save. More of the same if you want to add a new product page to your website. In the designer, click on CMS icon on the left hand side, select product collection, click plus new product collection. And again, to edit, we have name, which is what it will be appeared as in the CMS section. The slug is the URL for the page. The meta title or meta description, the same as before. This is what's shown in search results, as is the open graph image, which will show on social media when this post is shared. Product category is the tag you want to apply to the product page to appear on the correct collection on the website. Product title is what will appear on the product page's header section. This is the H1 title tag. Content text top is all rich text shown between the top featured image and the middle call to action banner on the product page. Content text bottom is all rich text shown between the middle call to action banner and the bottom call to action banner. Product short description is what will appear in the search results on your website that acts as a preview on the product page collection. And locations is where you can pull the business name and location from. When you've made any changes, make sure you click save. And last in this video, if you have the option how to add a new landing page. So in the designer, click on the CMS icon on the left hand side, select landing pages, collection, and click on new landing pages collection. So how do you edit a new landing page? Well, name again is what it's appeared as in the CMS section. The slug is the specific URL for the product page. The meta title and meta description is what will appear on search results. The open graph image again is what will appear if this post is shared on social media. The hero header is the main H1 title header on the page. And the large text 1 to 3 appears as the separate animated subheaders which appear on the scroll down the page. And heading 1 to 7 is each section heading outline the benefits of your services to customers. Paragraph text 1 to 7 is each paragraph which appears in sequence on the landing page. And once you've made your changes, make sure you click save. I'll see you in the next video.